Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how you can get more traffic and more followers totally free, even if you just created your Pinterest account, even if you have 0 followers. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to make your Pinterest profile. And this is really important. We are actually going to upload videos on Pinterest because videos are going viral really easy on Pinterest and they have lots of engagement. But in order to upload videos on Pinterest, you actually need to convert your Pinterest profile into a business page. That is really important. Now, after that, you actually need to find products to promote. And for that, you can use Digistore24, you can use ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. Or you can simply promote multiple different products from multiple different affiliate networks. Okay, so next thing you need to do, you need to start writing articles that you're going to use for Pinterest affiliate marketing, that you're going to use to promote your affiliate products. And if you can publish those articles on your blog or your website, by far that is best option. But if you can't, then you should start uploading those articles on Vocal Media. Why Vocal Media? Because Vocal Media has a big authority on Google, so if you do a good keyword research, you can actually rank that article on first page on Google and start getting free traffic from Google, but also from Pinterest. And this is one of my Vocal Media articles, and here you can see how it actually looks. And you need to do exactly the same thing. You need to publish a quality article on Vocal Media and use that article to promote your affiliate products. And like I said, we are actually going to upload videos on Pinterest because they go viral really easy. So what we need to do, we need to go on Pexels and find royalty-free videos here. So let's say I'm in dog niche. So what I need to do, here in search bar, I simply need to type dog training, for example, and then click here on videos, and then click here on filters, and let's just say orientation, let's just say vertical videos. And here I can find lots of dog training royalty-free videos that I can use for promotion of my products. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this video here. What I need to do, I need to click here and then click here on this arrow, choose the dimensions and then click here on download and download this video to your desktop. Now, next thing you need to do, you actually need to add call to action to this video. So for that, we are actually going to use Canva. So what you need to do, you need to upload this video on Canva. And simply go here on uploads and then go here on videos and I simply drag that video here, okay? And just drag it to make it fit to your template, just like this, okay? And now just click here on elements and let's just say I wish to use the square one. So I will simply drag that here, okay? And make it wider. And let's just say I wish to make it black, this box, okay? And now just click here on T for text, choose one of the text styles. I will choose this one and I'm going to delete this because I don't need that. And I'm going to say something like this. And I will actually make this smaller. So let's just say, for example, 40, okay? And I'm going to make those letters to be white. And I'm going to make this, move it here, okay? And I'm going to make that center, just like this. And this is how it looks. And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on share and then click here on download and download this video to your desktop. Okay, so next thing we need to do, we need to go back on Pinterest and we need to upload that video on our Pinterest business page. In a minute, I'm going to show you how you can get more traffic and more followers, like I promised you in the intro. So, but let's first upload this video. So what you need to do, you need to click here on create and then click here, create a pin. And then click here and find the video that you just edited. This is the video. And here you need to add a title. That title should contain your main keyword. In this case, teach a old dog a new trick. Here in the description, same thing. Description should contain your main keyword. And then here you need to add tags. Tags are important for Pinterest videos. So I can say dog. And then I will choose, let's say, dog quotes, and again I'm going to say here dog, and I'm going to choose, let's just say, dog art, for example, and you should add as many tags as you want. And then you need to go back on your Vocal Media article. Let's just say this is my article. You need to copy the URL, Control C, and then go back here and paste that link here. And that should be linked to your local media article that you're using to promote your affiliate products. And then go back here, choose the right board, and then simply click here on publish and publish that video on your Pinterest profile. So how do you actually get more traffic and more followers? Well, actually, we are going to use shared boards, group boards. So how do you actually find group boards on Pinterest? There are actually 3 ways to do that. And I'm going to show you all 3 ways. Now, first and easiest way is to actually go on a website called PinGroupie. And here you can see all the group boards listed on this website. There is 26, almost 27,000 pages. But problem is, if you actually wish to use this search option here, you need to pay for that. Now, second way is to actually use Pinterest itself. So what you need to do, you need to click here on this search, and then click here on dog, and then click here on pins, and then choose here boards. And here you can see all the dog related boards. So what you need to do, you need to go from one board to another and check all of these boards here to see which of these boards are actually group boards. So let me just check this first one here to see, okay, this is a group board. Here you can see there is 390 people who are actually adding their pins in this board, and this board has 28, almost 29,000 followers. And usually the first person here, and you click here, this first person is the person who actually created this board. So what you need to do, you simply need to send them a message and ask them to add you as a group member, as a group board member. And the third and maybe even easiest way is to actually go on Google, and here in search bar simply type, for example, dog Pinterest group board, or workout Pinterest group board, or woodworking Pinterest group board, and then press enter for search, and here you can see dog related Pinterest group boards. So for example, just open this one here in new tab, and here you can see 96 people is actually adding their pins into this board. This board has 9,000 followers, and here you can usually see in the description of this board, you can usually see instructions how you can actually get invited and be part of this group board and start adding your pins into these group boards. And let me just check another one. Okay, let's just check this one to see how much. Okay, 5,000 followers, 16 members. And like I said, here you can see usually how you can get accepted, how you can apply to be a member of this group board. And what you need to do, you need to join to as many as you can of these group boards. And then what you need to do, you need to go back on your Pinterest page, on your Pinterest business page, and you actually need to start sharing your pin, your video pin. You need to start sharing that pin in all of these group boards that you actually joined. And the more groups you join and the more videos you share, the more traffic you will get, and you will actually reach more people, and you will start getting more and more followers. And what you need to do, you need to start creating and uploading these videos every day. You saw how easy it is to make these videos, and start sharing those videos in these group boards every day. And not just that, but you can also create your own group board and start inviting people into your group board, and in that way those people will actually start creating content for your Pinterest page, so you don't have to do that. And they will also start sending traffic to your board, to your pins, and you will start getting followers because of the activity of those people in your group board. And like I said, you will start getting more traffic and more followers totally free. So this is how you do Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.